friends, welcome to Shivani tutorial. In this video, I am going to share a beautiful full hand mehndi design. First of all, draw horizontal lines on your wrist. Now, draw some small petals on this horizontal line. In the center of this line, make a round shape and decorate it with the long petals. Now draw big petals on the left and right side. In the center, make a peacock-shaped petal and fill it with horizontal and vertical lines. To fill the wrist, make another peacock shape and fill it with the horizontal and vertical lines. Fill the gap by making small petals and peacock-shaped design. Draw some long petals and peacock-shaped lines on your palm as well. As you can see, we have made two peacock-shaped petals on the left and right hand side. And in the center of palm, I am making a leaf-shaped design. Mark lines as it will give you a peacock look. Fill it with the random lines. Now cover the main petal by drawing some petal-shaped design. Fill the rest of the palm by making some curvy petals and flowers. Follow the same design on the index finger. So here we have very stylish and very easy full hand mehndi design. In this video, I am going to show you a full hand mehndi design. Start the mehndi design from the wrist. Draw a slanting line and draw some small petals on this line. Give a boundary to this line and now make some small petals. Make the boundary line and follow the same pattern. Now make the V shape on the wrist that covers your palm as well. And draw the exactly same pattern that you have drawn on the wrist. This way. As you can see, the V is done. Now, make a flower and fill the flower petals with the mehndi. To cover the wrist area, I am making a round shape. To cover the wrist area, I am making a half circle. Give a boundary to this half circle and fill it with the lines of Mehndi. Make an outline of this round circle with some flower petals. Make a design and fill the design with the Mehndi. Cover the hand with the random design. You can make some petals, flowers or any arc-shaped design this way. I have made a petal and fill the petal with the Mehndi lines. Cover the rest of the hand by making a peacock or a flower shape. Draw petals and leaves to make the fuller. Make half circles or lines to cover the wrist area. Now draw some arc lines or round shape lines on the fingers. Fill the side of the hand with the mehndi design. You can make round or flower design. Fill the tip of the finger with the mehndi. So friends, here we have our full hand mehndi design is done. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel.